Welcome, welcome, boys. This is a sponsored product review. The kind folks at Yida LLC sent me this tonneau cover under their Autosaver88 brand. Links for this tonneau cover, as well as the other products they offer under Yida Motor and Oedro brand, will be down below in the pinned comment and the description. We're going to install this Autosaver88 tonneau cover on our 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 quad cab. I have the box opened. It comes with a rubber stripping and a light, some hardware, the bed rails, and the tonneau cover itself. I'm going to go ahead and get all the items out of their boxes and their packaging so we can get an idea of everything that comes with the kit, and then we're going to install it on the truck and review it. Okay, boys, and we've got everything unpacked. So we have some literature here, customer support, if you have any issues. We've unloaded everything out of the box for the hardware, so we have all of our fasteners, our clamps, our knobs for tightening and adjusting. Comes with a push button light, so you can actually see in your truck. You can mount that somewhere in here, wherever it's most convenient for you. We have the tailgate weather strip, which is going to be that piece right there. So that goes down and around through there, so it'll keep water intrusion away. It does come with the installation instructions here and the parts list. Front and back. But if you're watching this video and you don't like reading, well, then this is going to be the video for you, because you won't have to read anything. You can just watch and follow along. So we have the third piece of the tonneau cover. So this will be the part that goes on the bulkhead, part with the straps. The other end is going to be the part that cinches down into these rails. So we have the left rail and the right rail. The side with the hook is going to be the side closest to the tailgate, because that's the groove where the tonneau cover fits in there and locks in place. You've got the Velcro here, and you've already got the soft rubber here. So it'll sit on the bed rail, like so, but pushed up to the bulkhead, and then we'll have the clamps that we can do to secure and affix it to the bed rail. So I'll get you boys set up on the tripod, and then we're going to go over the installation procedure. Okay, boys, so when you construct them, 6 total. I have the 6th one already constructed. So this is the orientation it's going to go in. The clamping mechanism is going to be over here. You place the bolt through the top so that it doesn't move, and then you use this knob to clamp down on it. And so how this is going to go is under this lip here in the bed, like so, and then cinch down. So you won't need any tools, you just need your grip. And it should be noted, the light, you'll need 3 AAA batteries that are not provided. So 3 AAAs if you want to use the light. Of course, if you don't, well, then I guess don't worry about it. But you do have that option. Okay, boys, and this is where the clamp is going to secure. You'll have this little lip here, groove, where this top part goes on. That's where that's going to fasten in place, and then we will secure it from the bottom. So we're going to slide the rails in, get it kind of mocked up where we need to be. We'll get this part where it needs to be. Okay, boys, and we got out of the glare now so we can get a proper video. I'm going to go ahead and get the rails up, and then our clamps oriented loosely. That's how she's going to look. You need her to be level is in at 90 degrees, best as you can. You don't want it cocked at an angle, but we'll get the proper fit momentarily. We're just mocking it up on both sides so we can see whereabouts we need to be forward and backwards for when we get the tonneau cover, the third section here in the middle on the bulkhead. Okay, boys, I'll have to take you inside for a better view of how we're going to secure and affix the bulkhead side, but like I said, we just got it mocked up for now.
Sliding that into the rail.
Okay, boys, so here we are now, so we should be able to see here. You just need to slide this piece into the rail.
And then we'll tighten the screw up.
And the adjustment screws on the inside in there, this Allen key that's provided is what will secure that in place, and then we'll be able to kind of fit it properly and make any minor adjustments as needed. Here's the screw I'm talking about. Allen key that's provided. You'll be able to secure the rail to this part of the tonneau cover here. That'll keep it from sliding around. Do the same thing on the other side. Alright, now we'll need to line and square everything up, boys, before we completely tighten these down. Okay, boys, and this is where this is going to lock in place here. So you'll take the tonneau cover, once you unroll it, slide the pin in here. That's where it's going to sit in that channel. And then, of course, when you want to get to wherever you think you need it, you pull it down. Now, of course, we need to make some adjustments, but we kind of got an idea where it needs to be. As you see, this side we're going to kind of just hit from the back, so we should be able just to kind of push a little on this side, and we can adjust the tonneau cover. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get it completed, then we'll pull it out and I'll show you what the finished project looks like. Okay, boys, and here we are. We now have, this is about where we are. So if you look over here, we've got just a little bit of a space between the edge of the bulkhead and the tonneau cover. We haven't clamped it down yet. This is just mocked where I believe we need to be. You go on this side, it's more of the same. So once you get it mocked up where you need to be, this is a pretty easy. So you pull that, that's now released, and if you wanted to, this is where you would unroll it all the way back up to the bulkhead and then secure it with the straps. As you can see down at the end there, those would roll up and then snap into place there to keep the tonneau cover secured. And once you're done, it's just as simple as getting these pins in that groove, pull down on it, close your tailgate, and you're done. So I will say this was a very easy install. This was a very user-friendly design, because we didn't need any tools. The only one Allen wrench we needed, it came with, to torque down that third piece to the two rails. Okay, boys, and that's it. This is the final finished product installed on our Dodge truck, the tonneau cover, the Autosaver88. So, final thoughts. First thing is, you may or may not want to use that light, but if you're going to use it, you need the 3 AAAs. The other thing is, it is very user-friendly. This was an easy install that needed no tools with the exception of the one Allen wrench. And the pop mechanism is easy. You just pull that and it releases. The pins lock in place. You don't have to fight it. There's no forcing this. This wants to close. It wants to be where it is. It wants to be aligned. You don't have to fight it. And it was also brought to my attention that the design is clever, that these rails, these supports do stay with the tonneau cover and roll up with it. Well, I'll let you explain it. What do you say?
Well, I think it was pretty well designed, and it's very user friendly. Anybody can do it. You don't need any tools. What do we spend? Maybe 20 minutes, and we completely installed it. Pretty happy with it. Thank you so much.
Alright, there you have it, boys. So again, I'd like to thanks to Yita Motor for sending me this Autosaver88 tonneau cover. It was a fun, easy project to install, and the proud new owner of it is very happy with it.
Yes, I am.
Alright, check below, boys. The links for these products, this and the rest of the store and other products, will be down in the description below, and the pinned comment. Again, thanks Yita Motor, Autosaver88, and I'll catch you boys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.